itching is a stress response, and it can be associated with edema as well.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because whenever you scratch it, you're actually, that's why dry brushing works.
Really?
It stimulates your immune system because that's how your lymphatic system works.
Yeah.
So it's gonna take all those proteins that leak out into your soft tissue, and whenever you're really stressed, you might get inflammation because of the stress, and then what happens is you just do like this, and your lymphatics, which go all around the interstitial space, they're gonna bring all their B lymphocytes, which are immune cells, and antibodies, and they're gonna go pick up all of the contaminants that are there, all the stress hormones, reactive oxygen species, and they're gonna release enkephalins and such at that level, so that you can start to feel better. And you need to stay hydrated too, so you can flush all that stuff out. Okay, so I'm gonna start the massage now. Okay.
Brief description of how lymphatic drainage massage works. The body retains fluids in the interstitial space between cells of the body, capillaries, and red blood cells when there is a pathogen or leaked out molecules of some sort that are not supposed to be there. The body has nerve receptors that stimulate itch when a pathogen is on the skin or might have entered the body, so that scratching will stimulate the lymphatic vessels to send out immunoglobulins or antibodies and B cells from attached lymph nodes to destroy the pathogen, package it, and remove it from the tissues. When this process happens, there is inflammation that causes vasodilation of fluid out the cells to bring the same concentration of water and molecules on one side to be the same. This causes excess water to break into the blood cells to cause them to burst and leak, as well as water in the interstitial space of the lower extremities to collect fluid leaked out that the veins couldn't pick up. The lymph vessels run alongside the arteries and the veins to take up excess fluid from the leaked fluid and to also collect larger molecules too large to diffuse into the veins to be removed from the tissues. When all the molecules are removed, the body will stop leaking fluid out the tissues and enter the lymphatics and venous structures. To increase the concentration of fluid in the vessels now more populated with molecules to balance the concentration between the interstitial, capillar, cell, and venous concentrations. Light movement of dry brushing, light feathering or scratching just enough to feel the sensation will stimulate the Ruffini light touch receptors to stimulate the lymphatics to do extra work to pull out those pathogens, contaminants, proteins, or other large molecules that are causing concentration imbalances, so that fluid can be moved out of the periphery, such as peripheral edema or local swelling in subacute injuries. Lymphatic massage is a lightweight massage that is done to stimulate the lymphatic vessels in the body to activate the body's natural ability to heal and draw peripheral edema out of the body. Hydration is necessary as well to flush those toxins out the body.